sa kasalukuyan ay nagkakaroon ng awarding dito sa loob ng Camp Bunisirano na kung saan ay ang naging panawing pandangal ang PNP Regional Director na si Police Chief Superintendent Ramon
Same certificate of appreciation is also awarded to Mr. Ricky X. Serrano III, Municipal Advisory Council Member of San Pascual Municipal Police Station.
Ay narito din at ang ilang miyembro ng additional force ng PNP, ang mga barangay official at barangay tanod ay narito din sa loob ng Camp Bunisirano habang nagsasagawa ng awarding at maya-maya ay makatapos itong awarding ay magkakaroon naman ng pag-distribute nito
Same certificate of appreciation is awarded to Pastora Zena Cantoria, Municipal Advisory Council Member of Catania City Municipal Police
kontra
Station.
illegal na droga dito sa lawigan ng Masbate.
Compliance status is conferred upon Arroyo Municipal Police Station to be received by the officer in charge, Police Chief Inspector Ariel D. Neri. Police Station to be received by the officer in charge, Police Senior Inspector Antonio R. Per. Status is conferred upon Kawayan Municipal Police Station to be received by the officer in charge, Police Chief Inspector Emerson F. Icalner.
Okay, sir.
Compliance status is conferred upon the Masalang Municipal Police Station to be received by the officer in charge, Police Senior Inspector Aldrin A. Rosales. National Police Commission, Philippine National Police, Police Regional Office 5, Masbate Police Provincial Office, Camp Bunisirano, Masbate City. Certificate of Appreciation is presented to Jamon J. Esparas for his extraordinary service and dedication rendered as one of the panel members during the unit certification and reporting of performance governance system for the compliance stage of Masbate Police Provincial Office held on March 9, 2016 at Camp General Simeon A. Olan, Legazpi. Superintendent Esther Cassius C. Pimentel, Provincial Director. We would like to request Judge Ignacio Camposan, sir, to please receive the Baleno Municipal Advisory Council, and the award will be received by Mr. Ray Vicente L. Alvarado, Municipal Advisory Council Member. We would like to request any representative from Municipal Advisory Council member of Baleno Municipal Police Station to please receive the award in behalf of Mr. Ray Vicente L. Alvarado. Same certificate of appreciation is presented to Katayngan Municipal Advisory Council, and the award will be received by Mr. Jesus Año Nuevo, Municipal Advisory Council member of Katayngan Municipal Police Station. Serrano, Masbate City. Signed, Police Senior Superintendent Jerry F. Piares, Acting Provincial Director. Certificate of Appreciation is presented to Provincial Prosecutor Jeremias R. Mapula for his remarkable contribution to Masbate Police Provincial Office in the accomplishments of Project Double Barrel in carrying out the mandated functions and speedy service of justice. Given this 28th day of October 2016 at Camp Bunisirano, awarded to Police Senior Superintendent Jerry Fornalesa Biares in recognition of his meritorious accomplishment as Provincial Director, Masbate PPO, for exerting his best efforts and resilience in the anti-illegal drugs campaign of the PNP in line with the Oplan Tukhang embodied in the PNP Memorandum Circular Number 16-2016, thereby making Masbate Police Provincial Office as the top #1 performing police provincial office out of 6 PPOs and 1 CPO in Police Regional Office 5, with 199,179 houses visited or knocked, covering the period from July 1 to October 25, 2016. This remarkable achievement manifests his persistence and selfless dedication to duty in pursuing the national government's flagship program against illegal drugs, thus earning credit not only for himself, but for the entire Philippine National Police as well. His best efforts and resilience in the anti-illegal drugs campaign of the PNP in line with Oplan Tokhang embodied in the PNP Memorandum Circular number 16-2016, thereby making San Fernando Municipal Police Station as the top #1 performing municipal police station out of the 20 municipal police station and 1 CPS in Masbate, with 11,659 houses visited or not, covering the period from July 1 to October 25, 2016. This remarkable achievement manifests his persistence and selfless dedication to duty in pursuing the national government's flagship program against illegal drugs, thus earning credit not only for himself but for the entire Philippine National Police as well. General Orders number 3097, same medal is hereby awarded to Police Chief Inspector Dennis Villaforte Pabelonia, Police Senior Inspector Arnel Natural Bongcaras, PO2 Benji Lobo Bernaldez, PO1 Manuel Rapsing Cabut, September 1, 2016, in Barangay Tinapian, Baleno, Masbate. This resulted in the arrest of Gary Maglente, number 7 Regional Drug Watch listed personality, and the confiscation of 5 pieces large plastic sachets containing methamphetamine hydrochloride, commonly known as shabu, and several drug paraphernalia. Their sterling performance contributed in the PNP Anti-Illegal Drugs Campaign Plan Project Double Barrel, thus earning credit not only for themselves but for the entire Philippine National Police as well. May I request Police Senior Inspector Antonio Rivera Pert, please take a step forward. General Orders number 3098, Medalya ng Papuri is hereby awarded to Police Senior Inspector Antonio Rivera Pert for commendable performance of duty as team leader during the implementation of search warrant number 89-2016 at about 6 in the morning of September 1, 2016 in Barangay Tinapian, Baleno, Masbate. This resulted in the arrest of Gary Maglente, number 7 Regional Drug Watch listed personality, and the confiscation of 5 pieces of large plastic sachets containing methamphetamine hydrochloride, commonly known as shabu, and several drug paraphernalia. Their sterling performance contributed in the PNP Anti-Illegal Drugs Campaign Plan Project Double Barrel. Such laudable act is worthy of emulation by their peers in the Philippine National Police Organization. General Orders number 4002, same medal is hereby awarded to SPO1 Romulus Estupin Tambago, PO2 Jessel Lamboho Asanya, for commendable performance of duty as police pusher buyer and arresting officer of the operating team of PUB Corpus Municipal Police Station, Masbate PPO, for the successful buy-bus operation conducted at about 7:30 in the morning of September 8, 2016 in Barangay Poblacion, PUB Corpus, Masbate. This resulted in the arrest of Wendell Sevilla, a drug watch listed personality, and the confiscation of 3 plastic sachets of methamphetamine hydrochloride, commonly known as shabu. Their sterling performance contributed in the PNP Anti-Illegal Drugs Campaign Plan Project Double Barrel. Such laudable act is worthy of emulation by their peers in the Philippine National Police Organization. Thank you, sir. Please be seated. Journey and adventure out of the open road. May I request our Acting Provincial Director, Police Senior Superintendent Jerry F. Biares, and our Supply PNCO to receive the symbolic key and the digital camera to be given by our Regional Director, Police Chief Superintendent Melvin Ramon G. Buenafe. Drugs destroy the moral fiber of our society. And for unwavering support to Police Provincial Office and enabling additional resources in sustaining full implementation of Project Double Barrel, a PNP campaign plan against illegal drugs. Given this 28th day of October 2016 at Camp Boni Serrano, Masbate City. Signed, Police Senior Superintendent Jerry F. Biares, Acting Provincial Director. We would like to call on our Acting Provincial Director, Police Senior Superintendent Jerry F. Biares, and a representative from the Orica Philippines Incorporated to receive the Certificate of Appreciation.
Training Class 2016-01 open, effective this date.
Thank you, sir. This function has been magnificent because of the outstanding performance of our leaders. It's been said that leadership is making important but unpopular decisions. To be a good leader, you cannot major in minor things, and you must be less distracted than your competition. Ladies and gentlemen, let us hear the message of our guest of honor and speaker, a leader who instills confidence and followership, transparency, and inspiration. Please welcome the Regional Director of Police Regional Office 5, Police Chief Superintendent Melvin Ramon G. Buenafe.
Thank you. Please take seats. Troop Commander, please give the troops status pahinga. Thank you. At the outset, may I recognize our very industrious, very innovative Provincial Director, Police Senior Superintendent Jerry Biares. Palakpakan po natin. Napakagaling na Provincial Director is Judge Ignacio Emilio Camposano, sir. Assistant Provincial Prosecutor Norberto F. Mesa, Lieutenant Colonel Patrick E. Cinco, the deputies of our Provincial Director, Police Superintendent Mabunat, and Police Superintendent Wanasin. I would like to acknowledge also our officers from Police Regional Office 5, my staff officers, Police Senior Superintendent Jonathan Panganiban, Police Senior Superintendent Celso Arqueño, Police Superintendent June Trilles, the rest of the officers from Police Regional Office 5, and Masbate Police Provincial Office, ang ating mga station commanders, napakagaling, mga awardees ng ating compliance status. That's Masbate City and the municipalities of Masbate Province, and I would like to acknowledge their mayors na mga nandito. I will call them in alphabetical order ng mga municipalities and the city of Masbate. We have from Baleno Municipality, Honorable Romeo C. De La Rosa, alias Bato. Is it, sir? We have also from the municipality of Kawayan, Honorable Ramon Abinuman. From the municipality of Dimasalang, Honorable Edgar A. De Lara. From Mandaon, Honorable Christine Salve Co. From Palanas, Honorable Rudy Lim Alvarez. From Placer, Honorable Nilo Du. From San Jacinto, Honorable Nelly Delavin. And may I acknowledge also the representatives of our other mayors. From Aroroy, Mr. Edmundo Escape. From Balod, Mr. J. Lord Abelita. From Batuan, Mr. Ramon Escoreña. From Katayngan, Engineer Jesus Año Jr. From Claveria, Mrs. Joji Del Rosario. From Esperanza, Miss Mena Bordeos. From Masbate City, Mr. Isaias T. Bigol Sr. Also representing Mr. Isaias Bigol Jr. Sir. From Milagros, Mr. Antonio Delanon. From Mubo, Honorable Danilo Espinas. From Monreal, Honorable Dan Kibilagin. From PUB Corpus, Mrs. Leonila Lepasana. From San Fernando, Honorable Loneto Centura. From San Pascual, Honorable Nino Maximo Lazaro. And from Uson, Honorable Esquidar o Sanchez. And of course, may I acknowledge also our other friends, Attorney Joseph Domingo Angostia, Mr. Soldi Kabilugan of Orica site representative. Thank you for your donation, sir. I would like to acknowledge also yung mga nakatayo dyan sa tabi, yung ating mga masigasig na mga members ng Barangay Unified Force. May mga placard, palakpakan po natin sila. At ang ating Barangay Peacekeeping Action Teams nanggaling sa iba't ibang barangays, itong mga grupo. Maraming salamat po sa pagpunta nyo. Nandito rin ang ating Kabalikat Civicom Masbate Chapter. Ang ating mga brothers, Muslim faith, from the Muslim community. Ang iba pang mga grupo ng media na masigasig at laging tumutulong sa atin sa pag-disseminate ng mga information. Our officers, men and women, and NUPs of Masbate Police Provincial Office. Our other friends who are here, ladies and gentlemen, maayong buntag kaninyo tanan. Maray na aga po sa inyo gabos. Na ako makasulti sa duwang lingwahe sa bot Bicolano o Binisaya. Kay dugay po ko na-assign sa Visayas area, particularly in Negros Oriental and the area of Cebu. Munang makasulti ta og makakanta po usahay. Pero Bicolano ako, nagdakula po ako sa Naga City. Kaya fluent man girari kita magtaram ning Bicol. I would like to congratulate at the outset the men and women of our frontline units of Masbate PPO under the able leadership of Police Senior Superintendent Jerry F. Biares, ang ating Provincial Director, for the successful completion of the second stage of our performance governance system. Yung isa sa sabi nila nagpapahirap sa ating mga unit commanders sa pag-comply. Because at the start, this was really difficult, but we have seen progress as we went on. So, from initiation, napunta na tayo sa compliance stage, and we are looking forward to the next higher stage, yung ating proficiency. And surely, we are on the right track in pursuit of genuine and lasting change in our organization as we go about our transformation journey. Kaya nagpapasalamat ako ng malaki sa ating mga members ng advisory councils sa provincial level, sa city level ng Masbate, at sa mga municipal levels. Napakalaki ang inyong tulong dito. That's why we do not really want to go on with our program here without recognizing your contribution to the transformation program of our organization, our beloved Philippine National Police. So again, maraming salamat po. Wala kaming ibang maibigay kundi ang mga certificates of appreciation, ang mga kwadro na yan. Pero po, nanggagaling yan sa kaibuturan ng aming puso. It cannot be refuted that we were only able to come this far because each and every personnel in our police station and the maneuver units made significant contributions to their respective units' performance. As you go about in your day-to-day functions, be it in the office or in the field, you, the officers, men and women, and NUPs, are in fact pushing the whole organization towards our desired direction of making the PNP a more credible, effective, and capable organization, which enjoys the active support of the people of the community. And this is very evident with the presence here of our numerous supporters, the members of the advisory councils, and our friends from the civilian community. Hindi rin natin matatawaran ang naiambag ng mga kasapi ng inyong mga advisory councils. Ang inyong provincial advisory council, municipal advisory councils, at ang city advisory council. Ngayong araw na to, na kuha natin ang bunga ng ating pinaghirapan. However, let me remind you that you cannot rest as yet, as we are only halfway through our journey. There are still two stages. As I have said earlier, meron ba tayong proficiency bago tayo makarating sa ating goal ng institutionalization or the real transformation by then. It is unfortunate that a number of our personnel in the past have a notion that the PGS has already been discarded because of the intensified campaign against illegal drugs through the implementation of Copeland double barrel. This is far from the truth, as no less than the chief of the directorial staff, our Police Deputy Director, General Ramon C. Polinario, himself said that the Project Double Barrel is but part of the PNP Patrol Plan 2030 roadmap to transformation. It has in fact already been incorporated into the PNP's unit scorecard. So, tuloy tayo sa Copeland Double Barrel at the same time, tuloy-tuloy yung ating Patrol Plan 2030. For this reason, I implore everybody to continue to work with dedication and fidelity to the service and to perform your duties as law enforcers with the same zeal and drive that you have shown in the past. Let us, more than ever, put greater effort as we intensify our anti-criminality efforts, particularly in ridding our communities of the adverse influence of illegal drugs. Nakikita ko dito sa pag-open ng ating sinagtala crash course, talagang nandyan yung drive ng ating mga tao dito sa Masbate. That's why I'm very confident na ma-accomplish natin yung binibigay sa ating mga tasks in line with the anti-illegal drugs campaign. Na sa ngayon ay medyo nakalampas na tayo sa kalahati ng panahon na ibinigay. Lampas na tayo, almost 4 months na yung dumaan. Lampas na tayo sa kalahati at papalapit na yung katapusan ng taon, kung saan expected na matapos yung ating problema sa illegal drugs dito sa probinsya ng Masbate. Kaya pakiusap natin sa lahat, magtulong-tulong, magkaisa para hindi maging panaginip lamang itong ating adhikain na mawala ang problema sa illegal na droga. So, magkakasama ang ating kapulisan, ang ating stakeholders dito sa community ng buong probinsya ng Masbate upang matupad itong ating pangarap na malinis natin ang lugar sa problema ng illegal na droga. Let us more than ever put greater effort as we intensify our anti-criminality efforts, particularly in ridding our communities of the adverse influence of illegal drugs. So, again, I congratulate our awardees today, ang ating mga magigiting na mga officers at PNCOs na nagpakita ng kanilang dedikasyon at galing bilang mga alagad ng batas dito sa buong probinsya ng Masbate. Pinamahagi rin natin ngayong araw na to ang ilang motorsiklo at mga digital cameras upang higit na mapag-ibayo ninyo ang inyong kampanya laban sa pinagbabawal na droga at iba pang uri ng kriminalidad dito sa lalawigan ng Masbate. But your provincial director knows fully well na itong mga equipment na to are only as good as the persons who are using them. Kaya gamitin natin sa tama itong mga binibigay sa atin ng mga equipment, mga gamit. kailangan ayusin rin natin ang ating mga sarili. Sa ating trabaho, let us bear in mind ang ating mga responsibilidad, ang ating mga SOPs, ang mga batas mismo na sinusunod natin. Kailangan tayo maging mga ehemplo ng pagtupad sa batas. So, para tayong mga gladiators ng panahon na kailangan sanayin natin ang gusto ang mga sarili natin sa paggamit rin ng ating mga armas at disiplinahin natin ng mabuti ang ating mga sarili para hindi tayo nagkakamali sa paggamit nito. With all this, I commend the personnel of Masbate Police Provincial Office, ang lahat na efforts nyo naging vital sa ating gera o ating war against illegal drugs and criminality. So ituloy natin ito habang tayo ay nagpo-progress sa proficiency stage naman ng ating PGS. I hope that I will see even greater accomplishments or achievements from your units next year. So once again, congratulations, advance, Merry Christmas sa lahat ng kapulisan dito sa Masbate. Keep up the good work. Diyos mabalos po sa inyo kabos, maayong adlaw sa tanan.
Thank you for your remarks, sir. Over the coming days, we look forward to monitoring that beneficial move. I express my personal gratitude for sharing with us your aptitude, touching and inspiring us in the process. May I invite our Acting Provincial Director, Police Senior Superintendent Jerry F. Piares for the presentation of token to the guest of honor and speaker. May I also request our guest of honor and speaker, Police Chief Superintendent Melvin. May I request everyone to stand for the singing of the PNP hymn. Please be seated. Thank you so much, sir, ma'am. And now, ma'am, unit commanders.
Sa ngayon ay katatapos lamang ng pagbibigay ng award at ito naman ay syempre nagkaroon naman ng pagpapaabot ng mensahe itong si Regional Director Ramon Buenape. Mula po dito sa Camp Boniserrano, ako po si kasamang Jess Igan Parion.